since I made a video. I kind of got busy with a bunch of other things. And sometimes I just don't know what to make a video of. But videos don't always need to be exciting. I don't think. So I'm working on a video now. It's kind of cold out, although the sun is out. February. Sun is out, but it's kind of nippy. And we had a few good days, really nice days, and then it turned cold again. And now they're talking about maybe some flurries, but who knows? It's February, anything could happen. So I have been on this thing about embroidering. I've been embroidering all kinds of things. And so that's what this video is going to be about. It's going to be when you're in the middle of February blues, sometimes it's just good to have a little project. And embroidery is fairly simple. They sell kits on Amazon and in Hobby Lobby that give you directions and everything. And once you learn the stitches, which aren't difficult at all, you can make these beautiful little embroidery in the hoop or little embroidery tops for jars or pillow covers. But it's just a fun little project to do. So here's what I did. So I started with this really cute pattern of wildflowers, and I believe I purchased this off of Amazon. It's a simple little pattern, and it's a good project to start with. Now I wanted to do something extra special with the hoop, so I went to my fabric room, which as you can see I have loads of fabric, and I chose at random some fabric scraps that I was going to cut into strips and wind around the hoop. So after I chose my fabrics, I cut them into approximately 2-inch wide strips. And the length varied, doesn't really matter, just all depends on what you have. And I folded the edges in so I wouldn't have any raw edges, and then I ironed them. So as you can see, I ended up with several long strips of fabric ready to be wound around the hoops. And so I started winding them around each hoop. And here's a tip. When you wind it around the hoop, make sure it's the hoop on the top with the screw on it, not the one on the bottom. I learned that the hard way. And then next I hot glued the fabric to the rim of the embroidery hoop and trimmed the excess fabric from the back. I didn't show this in the photos, but after I did that, I got some of my felt fabric and I cut it into a circle and I hot glued that to the back of the embroidery. And lastly, I took the screw out of the top of the embroidery hoop where you usually use that screw to tighten the hoop. I took the screw completely out and I used ribbon, threaded through the 2 holes where the screw would normally go, and I made a bow. And here is the finished product. I think adding the fabric to the hoop made a huge difference, and it just makes it look so adorable and perfect to be hung on walls. It makes your house look so cozy and so inviting, and it just adds that extra touch. And lastly, onto another project. This is a landscape embroidery that I did. It took me forever to do this landscaping, and the colors were a little off. I'm not sure if the embroidery yarn was the right yarn to use. It didn't really match the pattern, but I went with it, and it looked pretty cute. So happy embroidering, people. Thanks for watching.